Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 10. Its title is A Land of Pure. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing skill, we are going to learn how to make a greeting card. In your English for grade 1, in your last unit of English for grade 1, we have practiced making a greeting card. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to draw illustrations to make greeting cards using cursive writing, write appropriate words and formulaic expressions, and write the name of the addressee and sender. These are our today's SNOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nisa, verse 86. And when you are greeted with a salutation, greet with one better than it, or return the same. Surely Allah is the reckoner over everything. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Better, this verse is telling us a very beautiful principle. When you are greeted with a salutation, and being Muslim, how do we greet each other? We say, Assalamu alaikum. When someone says Assalamu alaikum to you, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us, you should return one better or return the same. So you can say wa alaikum assalam, and if you want to return better, you should say wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It becomes a better response, right? Likewise, beta, when someone, we can greet each other in writing as well. We can make greeting cards. We can give a greeting card to someone. We should give greeting cards to each other, and if someone gives us a greeting card, we should return. We should also make a greeting card. We should also return this greeting, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching this to us, right? So we have learned how to make a greeting card. So tell me, what are greeting cards? Why do we exchange greeting cards? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, what are greeting cards? A greeting card is a card with some text or images or both with a message to deliver. And better, like we can greet each other in words as well, but when we show it in a written expression, it really becomes like it shows we care about the person. We love the person. So we should give greeting cards on different occasions. And why do we do it? We exchange greeting cards with each other because they show our care, our love and concerns, right? When someone gives you greeting card, do you feel good? Yes, you become very happy. So think, when you will give greeting card to someone, the other person will also be very happy, okay? So we make greeting cards on different occasions. We use different greeting cards for different occasions like Eid, exam, birthdays, achievements, success. So there are different types of greeting cards. Each event or occasion card use different kind of expression. This thing is important, beta. Like on it of text or image form. So what the images we make or whatever we write, it should be accordingly. Okay. For example, birthday card can be with cakes, balloons, candles, and what should we write on it? Happy birthday imprinted on it, right? So on a birthday card, if you don't write happy birthday, your message is incomplete. So when you make a greeting card, its words and pictures should be selected accordingly. Likewise, card to show concern for someone, health, may be quoted with expression, get well soon. Now, get well soon, you will not write on a birthday card, because we say get well soon to a person who is not feeling well, right? This is how beta we select the expressions according to the situation for which we are making a card. So these are few examples. For example, someone who is not well, so you will get well soon, and you can make like a wish for the person, happy birthday, right? And Eid Mubarak, on Eid we say it and we write it on a card, Happy Teacher's Day, right? So beta, this is how we select words and images accordingly, right? So if we don't, like the way I told you, if on happy birthday you say get well soon, it becomes funny, okay? So you should select the words and pictures accordingly. Happy Mother's Day, such a beautiful, okay? So when you want to wish your mother, you can make this card, Happy Father's Day, and there are many. So let's learn it through an activity and encourage students to craft different greeting cards for special days. Teachers, this is important. Whenever there is an activity, kindly encourage the students to do it. Like Independence Day, birthday, Christmas, etc. Tell them for each card, we write different greeting cards and words. This is how we have learned it. And it's time for activity. What you will do, beta, this is given in question number 9 in your book. Follow these instructions and all of you make beautiful greeting cards. Teacher kindly provide students with the things they need and help them to make beautiful cards. So pause the video, all of you enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, wow, wonderful, amazing. Now it's time for your homework. At home, you will make a card with the message, Happy Eid. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today? We learned to make a greeting card by using appropriate words and expressions. So we achieved our SLOs to draw illustration to make greeting card. Using cursive writing, write appropriate words and formulaic expressions and write the name of addressee and sender. So addressee, we know, beta, one whom we are writing, the way you will write my mother, my father, dear friend, etc. And definitely you will write your own name, the person who is sending the card. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLOs. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.